In the previous video, we used special notation for the operations between two procedures or two functions. Let's make a commentary about those. You see, you find here the summation between two functions or two procedures and the corresponding summation between numbers. Here's the product, the division, and the subtraction. Okay? Why did we use different symbols? Well, we use different symbols because the operation is different. Here is the operation between two procedures or two functions, and this thing is something completely different, is a summation between two numbers. And so we want to use different symbols because they mean different things. Okay? However, in practice, it will be cumbersome to carry this thing around. And so what we are going to do, well, is just erase it. You just erase it and introduce the symbol plus, product, division, and subtractions, the same symbol that we used between two numbers. Well, it's easier now because it's the same symbol, but it comes at a price because it's now up to you to distinguish that this thing means a summation between procedures or two functions, and this thing is the summation between two numbers. Well, the idea is it's a summation between two numbers because the neighbor of this symbol is two numbers, while the neighbor on this symbol is two procedures or two functions. Okay? So this is the way we distinguish those. And from now on, and for the remainder of the course, we're going to use this symbol all the time. But always in the back of your mind, you always remember that this thing is not this thing. These are different things, and what they're supposed to mean depends on the context. The context here, a symbol whose neighbors are two functions, and here the neighbors are two numbers. So this is the two procedures. This is a new procedure. This is a number, the number that corresponds, which is an abbreviation for this number. Here again, two procedures, a new procedure, a number, which is an abbreviation for this number, and so on. You always remember, here we are making the product between two numbers, which in turn is a new number. You are summing two numbers, which in turn you get this symbol, which is a symbol for a new number, and so on. Okay? These ideas are very important to distinguish them. Okay? So let's move on.